Hello friends, welcome to How to Tricks. Today we are going to see how to mark all your unread mails into read. So in order to do that, first of all you have to enter into your Chrome browser, and now you can see there is three dots in the top right corner. You have to tap them and check on the desktop side. Okay, we have checked this desktop side option. Now you have to type gmail.com. I've been already logged in into my Gmail account. Okay, so now you can see there is 192 unread mails right now. So first of all, what you have to do is here in search mail, uh, you have to write in colon all space is unread. Okay, tap enter. So right now you can see that all the unread mails are here. Now tap on this box so that you have selected all the unread mails you have. Then you have to tap on here, select all conversation that match this search. Now you have selected all the mails that are unread on your account. Okay, so now what you have to do is tap here on the three dots and tap mark as read. Then they will ask you for confirmation. You have to tap on OK. Okay, so it's loading right now. Okay, so now you can see that all the mail here are now marked as read. So guys, that was all. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will get notified every time I post new videos.